Hello! Welcome back to Runneth Over Garden Life. My name is Boyce. Today we're going to make a lemon blueberry sweet tea. Like this one right here. Looks good. Tastes good. So stay tuned and watch through the whole video so we can show you how to do it.
Alrighty guys, so let's get this little drink started. We're gonna need about half a cup of fresh lemon juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up these lemons. And then with my lemon juice squeezer, I'm gonna put them in and start squeezing.
추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe
And there we go. Half a cup of lemon juice. And folks, don't forget, do not throw away your lemon rinds. If you have not seen my DIY 3-ingredient disinfectant spray, I'm going to link it down below so that way you can take a look at it after you're done watching this video. Okay, just a quick reminder. We're going to put in about 16 ounces of blueberries into a pot along with our lemon juice. We're going to put it on medium heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Alrighty guys, you see how it's starting to liquefy some more? You want to make sure that you do this for 5 minutes. You want to bring it to a boil. Mine isn't quite at a boil yet, but that's okay. And just occasionally you want to give it a good stir. I'll bring you back whenever it's at a boil. Okay, now that it's at a boil, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and we're going to put this through a wire mesh and into a bowl. And then from there we're going to smash up the berries through the wire mesh. Okay, and from here, I'm sorry I'm laughing because my son came into the kitchen and he was cracking jokes. Anyway, and then from here we're gonna we're gonna strain. We're gonna crush up these little berries, extract as much juice as we can from it. And by the way, y'all gotta be careful. I think my spoon will be permanently stained from the blueberries. But it'll be alright though, because it's all natural, right? I'm sure with the leftovers of this, you can probably put it into a smoothie, or you can put it in your compost bin. I'm sure there's other ways of using it. I just can't think of any right now at the top of my head. But it smells really, really good. I'll bring you guys right back when I'm done. Alrighty, now that we're done with that, we've got this mess here. So what we're gonna do is rinse out this saucepan and put 4 cups of water in it and bring it to a boil. After you bring it to your boiling point, you want to add your tea bags in and let them steep for 5 minutes. Okay, from here we take out our tea bags. Don't throw away your tea bags. If you compost, make sure you put your tea bags away so you can put it in your compost. I've already got a few in here. Alright, and then from here we're gonna stir in our 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, we're gonna stir in our 3/4 cups of sugar plus our blueberry juice mixture. I think my spoon is permanently purple. My son's gonna buy me a new spoon, guys. Don't worry about it. New wooden spoon on the way. Alright guys, so we're gonna let it cool down and we'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna fill our pitcher with ice. Thanks, babe. And then we're gonna fill it with our tea mixture. Can you pour that into me, honey, please? Thank you. And we're going to add 2 cups of cold water. Now you can sweeten this up or less sweet if you like. You could also garnish this. You could put lemon slices in there. You could put fresh blueberries if you like. And now we serve. Okay, we're going to add some fresh blueberries for garnish. Gonna add the rest of our ice.
And now we're gonna pour
Our yummy tea in. Look how pretty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with the world. Until next time.
Bye.